My name is Jonathan Bell. I'm a supervisor for a team of social workers in adult services within the Department of Family Services of Fairfax County. So I supervise a team of social workers who are providing case management support to adults who are living in the community. The case management support that my team is providing to adults, older adults, adults with disabilities, these are primarily individuals who are living in their own homes in Fairfax County. So we are providing home-based care services to support folks to age in place, to remain in their homes as long as possible. My professional background, after my bachelor's degree, having a hard time finding an entry-level position without any experience and this sort of thing, I became an AmeriCorps volunteer, worked in Washington, D.C. with men and women experiencing homelessness. And that's where I really identified social work as my passion, the career that I wanted to pursue. From there, really committed to serving adults, particularly older adults. So found myself working in home health and with the Alzheimer's Association in mobile crisis, behavioral health supports, and ultimately into adult protective services and adult services, which is where I am now. I love to problem solve, but I love to see people succeed. And so when our social workers are in the field, meeting with folks in their homes, that's really what they're doing, is identifying needs, identifying how we can come alongside folks and support them, help them to problem solve, where they're at today. So how the county can come alongside and whether it's provide in-home supports, whether it's consider maybe a higher level of care, perhaps a move into assisted living or some other facility type setting where they can get more supports, but ultimately seeing folks succeed. We want folks to thrive, and that goes for our clients and that goes for our staff as well. I get to see our clients succeed, and in that I also get to see our staff succeed. People bring passion to their work here in Fairfax County, that's evident. And so getting to see folks succeed means that, driving their passion for this work. So I really, really enjoy seeing that. So what brought me to Fairfax County was just the great opportunity that we have as staff to support a diverse community. Northern Virginia is diverse, and Fairfax County probably that much more so. Is a large county, so there's a wide variety of folks, different walks of life. So the variety of clients that we see is immense. Adult and aging is a great place to work, both in terms of the diversity of clients that you'll get to serve, as well as your colleagues, the diversity of colleagues that we have, the perspectives that are varied across our agency. So there's great opportunity to start or continue your career and certainly grow long term in your career path here.